Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The Best Style Body Wash is probably one of the most essential items in any woman's daily routine, offering a luxurious and effective way to cleanse and nourish the skin. This review will delve into why Dial Body Wash stands out in a crowded market, examining its unique formulations, skin benefits, and overall value proposition to help you make an informed decision for your personal care needs. Number 5. VH Essentials pH Balanced Daily Feminine Wash. Experience gentle care every day with our specially formulated feminine wash. It's designed to maintain your natural balance and keep you feeling fresh. This wash is infused with the natural goodness of tea tree oil. It helps to cleanse and refresh, providing a soothing sensation. Enriched with prebiotics, it supports your intimate skin's natural microbiome. This helps to maintain a healthy pH balance for optimal well-being. Our formula is pH balanced to work in harmony with your body. It ensures a gentle yet effective cleanse without irritation. Feel confident and fresh throughout the day. This wash provides lasting freshness and is perfect for daily use. You can trust its safety and efficacy as it has been dermatologist tested. It's made to be gentle on your sensitive skin. What we like. This wash is specifically formulated to maintain natural balance. If you're looking for daily gentle care and a refreshing feel, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who prioritize intimate hygiene with natural ingredients. What people say. This Dial Body Wash for women is a great product that leaves your skin feeling soft and moisturized. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, making it a good choice for everyday use. It lathers well and rinses clean, without leaving any residue. Number 4. Dial Refresh and Renew Coconut Water Body Wash. Start your day with a burst of tropical freshness. This body wash gently cleanses and revitalizes your skin. It's formulated with real coconut water, known for its hydrating properties. Feel your skin become softer and smoother with every use. This formula helps to renew your skin, washing away impurities. Enjoy a clean and refreshed feeling that lasts. With a large 32 fluid ounce size, you'll have plenty of this invigorating body wash. It's perfect for the whole family. Trust Dial for a superior clean that cares for your skin. Experience the difference of a truly refreshing shower. What we like. Experience a tropical escape with this hydrating body wash. If you love the scent of coconut and want skin that feels soft and refreshed, this is perfect for you. It's great for everyday use to invigorate your senses. What people say. This Dial Body Wash for women has a great scent and lathers well. It leaves my skin feeling soft and moisturized. The scent is long-lasting and pleasant. Number 3. Lume Acidified Body Wash, Clean Tangerine. Tired of body odor that just won't quit? Our acidified body wash provides powerful odor control that lasts all day. Experience a new level of clean. This formula is designed to tackle odor more effectively than traditional soap. Not only does it fight odor, but it also leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's a gentle yet effective cleanse. We've carefully formulated this wash without SLS or parabens, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Trust in a product developed with expertise. It's OB/GYN approved for your peace of mind. Enjoy the invigorating scent of clean tangerine while you cleanse. It's a delightful way to start and end your day. What we like. Achieve long-lasting freshness with advanced odor defense. If you need reliable odor protection throughout the day and prefer a moisturizing formula, this is the one. It's developed with expertise for those seeking confidence and comfort. What people say. It has a nice scent and lathers well. This body wash leaves skin feeling soft and moisturized. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 2. Dial Softening Body Wash. Experience a new level of clean with our softening body wash. It gently cleanses your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and smooth after every use. This formula is enriched with the essence of spring water. It provides a hydrating and soothing experience for your skin. Achieve noticeably softer and smoother skin with regular use. Its unique blend works to nourish and condition your skin. Enjoy the light and refreshing scent that invigorates your senses. It leaves your skin feeling clean and smelling delightful all day long. Get more of what you love with this convenient pack of 4. It ensures you always have your favorite body wash on hand. What we like. Indulge in a gentle, softening cleanse with a fresh scent. If you desire skin that feels incredibly smooth and hydrated, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for daily use, especially if you have dry or sensitive skin. What people say. It has a great scent and leaves skin feeling soft and moisturized. The lather is rich and creamy, and it rinses clean without leaving any residue. I love the hydrating formula that helps to combat dry skin. Number 1. Dial Exfoliate and Restore Cocoa Butter Orange Extract Body Wash. Indulge your skin with a rich lather that deeply nourishes. This body wash leaves your skin feeling soft and revitalized. Gently exfoliate away dullness to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Its effective formula works to restore your skin's natural radiance. Enjoy the invigorating scent of orange extract combined with the moisturizing properties of cocoa butter. This unique blend revitalizes your senses. Fortified with vitamin E, it helps protect and replenish your skin. Experience a healthy glow with every wash. Rest assured, it's dermatologist tested and gentle on your skin. It's formulated without parabens and sulfates for a clean feel. Achieve beautifully nourished skin that feels soft and supple. Make it a part of your daily routine for lasting hydration. What we like. Restore and revitalize your skin with this nourishing body wash. If you're looking for gentle exfoliation and skin that feels deeply nourished, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for those who want to reveal smoother, radiant skin. What people say. This is a great product for sensitive skin. It leaves my skin feeling soft and moisturized. The scent is very pleasant and not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.